This video is for beginner who are struggling to make straight stitches. So I'm going to show you how to go about this, and the good part of this is that you can also do this on your butterfly sewing machine. So I'm going to take you through the process of doing this just with the help of your bobbin. So first thing I did was to lose out one of the bolts of the plate of the foot plate. So I'm losing out the plate, just one of the bolts, not the plate entirely. So I'm losing the bolt, and after losing the bolt I look for a bolt who will fit, a longer bolt that fit into that hole, and I got this, but this was too long. That was why I doubled the bobbin. So I bring in a bobbin, I put the bolt to tie that bobbin into that position. So I realized that the bolt was too long, then I have to double the bobbin to make the bolt to hold the bobbin firmly. So I double the bobbin and I tie it with my screwdriver, of course. Then now you can start sewing without having any issue of your stitches not being straight. And the good part of this is that it leaves just a perfect seam allowance for you. So if you're joining your six pieces skirt or whatever you're joining, you have a very good seam allowance inside with this bobbin. So you can even see that the stitch is perfectly straight because it aligns when I fold the fabric. So try this.